Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate a Verizon eSIM on your iPhone 16, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your digital SIM card and start using your mobile plan. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone 16 is unlocked and running the latest version of iOS. Step 2. Contact Verizon customer service or visit a Verizon store to request an eSIM activation. Step 3. Verizon will provide you with a QR code or an activation link via email or through the My Verizon app. Step 4. On your iPhone 16, go to Settings, then tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Step 5. Tap Add Cellular Plan and use your iPhone's camera to scan the QR code provided by Verizon. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the eSIM activation. Step 7. Once the eSIM is activated, you can label it with a name like Verizon for easy identification if you have multiple plans. Step 8. Test your connection by making a call or browsing the internet to ensure the eSIM is working properly. Your iPhone 16 is now set up with Verizon eSIM. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.